I'm going to go ahead and come down here to Eli's funnels. That's me. And you'll see on the bottom right corner here on desktop a plus icon where you can go ahead and click create new page. Now you've got a bunch of different styles of pages here. Unfortunately, you can't search for a specific style, but what you can do is we're going to come down to long sales pages, for example. Find whichever one you'd like to create. We'll go ahead and select it, come back up to the top, and then we're going to want to launch the builder. Additionally, you have access to create a blank canvas, but we're going to move forward and just launch this new page. You are going to need to, enter a page name. So we're going to say long sales page here. Go ahead and select a category that you would like your page to be in, and then you can select, a different site, like a site style if you would like. Once you're happy, just go ahead and click create, and the page builder is going to load, and you've successfully created your new page. Now you can go ahead and start customizing that, doing whatever you would like to the sales page in this case. Okay, Kartra has a lot of different styles of pages. I'm going to be going through and customizing a few funnels, so there will be quite a few short specific tutorials on this channel if you would like to continue learning with us. Additionally, there's some decent content on YouTube that you can find with Kartra, so enjoy yourself.